If you are an avid trailblazer and want a high-performance bike that will hold up on the trail, choose the Megatron Fat Tire electric bike by Rambo Bikes. This uniquely designed electric bike is among the very few in the market that got two massive 1,000-watt electric motors, one in each tire with a blistering top speed of 30 miles per hour. It is equipped with two battery packs with 80-mile range to deliver adequate power to the two motors. The Megatron is a very capable hunting bike designed to deliver incredible power on the harshest terrain. The bike is equipped with a premium full-front suspension that gives it an impressive off-road capability. This electric hunting bike comes with a newly designed full-color horizontal display that shows the trip distance, battery level, power, and speed. With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.